time, like now, my beard. My beard.
So the time before you never did beard?
Some of the time.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. But before we jump into everything, I'm ask you to subscribe for your first time over the channel. Is it? Alright people, so with that said, I can just leave a quick video with the guys them. Is it Shaniel Muir and Lava did have a conversation. I think I'm gonna miss out that one, isn't it? I never know so Shaniel Muir down to earth. I'm actually rate her from this day on, isn't me? Not in other video, but like personality wise. But see what I'm going for myself.
What up?
What going?
How is everything?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. So, how was your weekend? Rough, ups and down weekend. How was it?
My weekend was amazing. I got to perform in New York.
Right. Right.
When I go people, I'm not telling them, I have to say, big up to the people who, come out this weekend at Lush. We had a lot of trouble, but, you see me, my respect who did stick around and, you understand?
And well out. And big up on DC.
So, Lava, every time I come on the live, you look brown. What make?
No, I can't do that. Next 2 days, probably see me some dark.
Like, for real, you look lighter every time.
No, the time, like now, my beard. My beard.
So the time them before you never did beard?
Some of the time, them.
Some of the time then?
Yeah. But tonight,
so you tell me you really come over chat and laugh and not beard?
Sometime, yeah.
So, Lava, you really come over here, come sit down over here and not beard? In front of how much thousand people? You don't have no ambition. How much thousand people? Lava, you come over here, come sit down and not beard?
No, you know say, but you have to understand, I'm a yard, but they are doing it, so I have to arrive in a beard and no beard.
Suppose someday somebody have to come take you up.
So may I ask you a question?
Suppose one day somebody over here and give a joke until you laugh till you're weak and drop down and somebody have to take you up. So they have okay with your dirty bottom?
Same so.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz. You is a wicked.
No, so,
you are wicked, Lava. You have to stop it. Anytime you get anytime I chat a laugh time, I must beard before you come over here. We don't want to see if you beard.
I hear the deal, right? Except I know say me go work after me leave. Me not beard. When me finish, me beard.
Your work is just as important as all of the 1,000 people them over here. Let me tell you this. We don't want to see no dirty people over here. Beard before you come over chat and laugh.
Okay, but I like
beard before you come over chat and laugh.
But I like say me walk past people.
Before you come over chat and we can smell you over here.
No, but I like me go walk past
things
people.
Going over here, so we're not busy with that.
Let me ask you a question.
We know why you come over with the cheesy hood. Wash yourself before you come over here, so we know why you come over here with the cheesy hood. We don't want that.
So every time you come for your life, every time you come for your life, your blood clot life.
Manala, shut and laugh. Of course. Pum wash before you go for live.
Listen.
Spray up on cologne and roll and everything. I'm not ask you. Tell me.
No, you're lying. You're lying.
Beard before you come over Chatala. Beard. Yeah. Every time. Anytime at Chatala time, beard. Yeah, because everybody we are coming at the line for line up to come over here. Then beard and come over here. I'm not ask you. Beard before you come here.
Yeah, that's not good for tell people your business, you know.
No, it's good for tell people your business. So sometimes I'm going to get beat and teach so they can learn. When I'm ready for beat and teach, me learn. Yeah.
And yes, every time you go on your live, you'll beard.
Every time. Anytime. Buzz this weekend, right? Down at South Florida, I'm not ask you buzz right out. Yeah, Ding Dong Rivers and all of the team and Shaniel and Lava, so they're going to do
okay.
Buzz the weekend. Me not ask you.
What? No, I have to beard this, so.
Yeah, you have to beard.
Hey, me over Queens one night over Shark Bass party, and I may walk past some people walk past two girls, and one of the girl touch me and say, what colony Avan? And then I say, when you hear that, what colony Avan, me start.
What kind of colony Havana?
Jesus, right. When I start going,
Right, I come put it in passcode. Pussy no busy like I don't a crossroad. Lava me say me pum pum jealous. Start me up quick and fast. Time too hot me now put on drugs. Pum pum tight, papa fast. Hooking and no crime them can't lock up. Dance firms on up in a belly and one go past that. Baby a pawn when they go part off. Body in a bed me bad no rascal. Ride off who dead no like fit talk. Hear me tell him say, put a icky on me neck right there so bust like pipe baby apply pressure. Down in a me belly better say you find your baby and no be Nelly knocky make it take out. So me love it when him wrap it up and push it up and mama feel it. Tight pussy grip cocky and squeeze it. My G for a dog and braid it. Pussy boss, he still love you though.
Manalai, shut
Lava, you know what? Before I leave, Lava, you are going now. Take off your off of the speaker. You are going. Me want you tell me something. Zine, you come off. You see when my boss the tune right now. When me done, me want you tell me what you hear. Zine.
Want me here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want you tell me what you hear.
Alright.
All right. You ready now? All right, then. Over me stand up on the firm strong, cocky big girl, cocky firm strong. Big good me want me to like when the clash you blow. Who me love bad man, me love it when him beat it up and bust Victoria's Secret. My man him don't eat pum pum, so him get a girl to eat it. Calm down. Really want to really get. Me not bisexually, I joke me and make come a pay feet. Anything my man wants him get him now. I not straight feet pum pum. But I'm not just get a hole in there. If one man poses to come in there, cause some girl pum pum plan it fit cars. Everybody walk and run in there. He's out of them, but that lyrical, but that me doubt it. Anything you hear me sing for redeem, mommy round it. I don't know who them. I said, trend, me a read up, girl, just tell them that them not right. Man, I like some style, some girl fuck to them pum pum while I write then. Me now be young, some girl would have shame me pum pum talk, alright then. Love, but tell me why you just here. That's what I'm here.
This my ear. This my ear. Listen it. You want to hear this? Listen it.
Batman, Superman, Lightning, Superman, Fireman, Superman, plus man,
Talk to me now.
Pussy club.
Talk to me now, Lava. That two time come. Talk to me now, Lava.
You see this tattoo?
See there?
They say there.
So talk to me now, Lava.
Pussy club.
Where your ear? Are that your ear?
Yeah,
That's your ear.
that me here.
Trouble. Buzz. So me I talk about where your ear in the stand a while ago. Where your ear what me say?
Be a fuck you talk about man and a man and kind of something bad man love and I study them something there now. Boost it up like a binelli and sperm the run and girl come like wait, but hear me I said here. Hear me I said here, right?
Yeah.
I never want to say it over yet, you know. Over here say it, you know. But I'm gonna say it still.
I something I need to brace myself for Lava.
Yeah, brace yourself.
Brace myself.
Yeah, my nephew sent me a rhythm today named Chat and Laugh, Body of Folk. Rhythm named Chat and Laugh, Body of Folk.
Name Chat and Laugh. Trouble.
I said not no more.
Trouble.
So where you put on right for your sir?
You don't know? Time of the master, yeah. With a little design. Yeah, I know the big bad peckers in the building.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah, man. Big bad. Tattoo artist, 2 artists in a building. I'm not
So you're not hurt you?
Huh?
You're not hurt you?
I used to it by now.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I did a DC Saturday as well, Jesus and peace.
Then that what happened, man?
I did a DC Saturday and I was
Yes.
in New York on Sunday. Yes, big up DC, Washington.
Big up DC people.
Them come out.
Big up DC people. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it
Yes,
me?
big up DC people. Because me there DC, I've chat and laugh, merch in our suitcase. I want pulley, yeah man. I want set up and a club, and I sell them.
Yeah, I'm right again.
Yeah.
Lava never hear nothing, you know, because I know him can't answer.
Leave it right
He
there.
only hear pieces. Pieces and pieces. I want me to sit up on the Perma trunk, cocky Perma trunk. The good more I'm in a like when the clash triple up. Me love bad man, me love it. When him beat it up and bust Victoria's Secret. My man, him don't eat pum pum, so him get a girl quick eat it, calm down. Really want to really get. When I buy sexually, I joke me and make him a pay feet. Anything my man want him get him now, fit I nice shape pum pum. But I'm not just get all in there. It's mom and poses to come in there. Cause some girl pum pum plan it fit this car. Everybody walk and run in there. He's out and them bad and lyrical, but that me don't it. Anything you're missing, can't redeem on me round it. Me, you know, I owe them. Me don't follow people, me say trend. Me a root up girl, just tell them that they're not right. When I like some style, some girl fuck to them pum pum while alright then. Me not be young, some girl would have exit pum pum talk alright then.
Whoa.
Lava.
Whoa. Whoa. Pussy clutch. Damn.
You know people them been attacked, what they? But me no answer to negativity. Me just sing things in a song. Alright.
What am I talk say? What am I talk say?
Lava guess on a man.
Alright then.
Them want tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them feel like them alone fit do it big but so them judge you by your skin. Body in black I want me comfortable in so tell me if you don't, tell me if you don't. Them still I got talk and if me no provoke them.
Sure.
My life is an open book. Me stand firm anyway me put me foot cause them my use me fi click date. And if you think you bad just make a mistake yeah. But me no praise but I me no make trouble. Me put God first come a journey of big faith. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. I fi move private as a public figure. Come in a shine in a lip race. But if I pussy this a quick case, me a tell you all lava. Show me no do me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a pot, it a fi cook good. The 6 grand me woulda take a purchase it from, but it's in a pro box down a yard, do no look good. Listen to me no man lava.
Pussy clutch.
Big up
No.
Big up yourself, lava.
No. What you back?
Big up yourself, lava.
Look at get back.
Talent to vibe in a lava.
Me you are going.
Man, I know about hype. Come put a big up yourself. Them want tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them feel like them alone fi do it big but so them judge you by your skin. But being black I want me comfortable in so tell me if you don't, tell me if you don't. Them still a go talk all if me no provoke them. But my life is an open book. Me stand firm anyway me put me foot cause them my use me fi click date. And if you think you bad just make a mistake yeah. But me no praise but I me no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey of big faith. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. We move private as a public figure. Them can't in a late grace. Cause if I pussy this a quick case, me a tell them no lava. Show me no the body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a pot, it a fi cook good. This 6 grand me woulda take a purchase it from, but it's in a pro box down a yard, do no look good. And that we don't know everything you see you follow live to impress people, so you can't make a dollar. All who know should have glad. Say me born in a man as otherwise me woulda tell you suck your mother. The and if you think you bad, just make a mistake. But me no praise button, I me no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey of big faith. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. Me have to move private as a public figure. Me not shine in a lip race. Cause if I pussy this a quick case.
Pussy
Lava,
clutch.
big up yourself.
Big up. Pussy clutch.
Man, I lie. Shut and lie.